Hey everyone, welcome back to Learnova. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove unwanted objects from your photos in Photoshop using the Remove tool. Whether it's a person, object, or any distraction in your image, Photoshop can remove it in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, open Photoshop and create a new project. Next, import the image you want to edit and place it onto your canvas. If needed, resize the image so it fits properly within your workspace. Now head over to the Layers panel in the bottom right corner and click the Create New Layer button. With the new layer selected, go to the toolbar on the left side of the screen. Click and hold on the Healing tool icon, then select the Remove tool from the list. Once you've selected the Remove tool, look at the top toolbar and make sure Sample All Layers is enabled. Next, adjust your brush size so it's slightly larger than the object you want to remove. Now simply paint over the person or object you want to erase. When you release your mouse button, Photoshop will automatically analyze the surrounding area and use AI to replace the object with matching content from the image. After a few seconds, the object should disappear and blend naturally into the background. You can repeat the same process for any other objects or people you want to remove from your photo. And that's how you can quickly remove unwanted objects in Photoshop. If this tutorial helped you out, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to Learnova for more simple Photoshop and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.